So hello friends, in today's video we are going to study class 9 science. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure, part 1. So when the word pure comes to our mind, we think that it may be related to some kind of adulteration, but it is not that according to science. According to science, it is a very different thing. So let's get started. Matter contains substances. Substances is of two types, pure substance and mixture. Pure substance contains elements and compounds. So now we are going to differentiate between pure substance and mixture. Pure substance consists of a single type of substance. Mixture consists of two or more pure substances. Means that the pure substance consists of two types of elements or compounds. Pure substance cannot be separated into other substances by physical methods, but mixtures can be separated into other substances by physical methods. Types of mixtures. Mixtures can also be grouped on the basis of their physical state. Solid and solid mixture. Salt and sugar, solid and liquid, salt and water, solid and gas, dust and air, liquid and solid, mercury and copper, liquid, alcohol and water, liquid gas, clouds, as cloud contains both air and water droplets, gas and solid, hydrogen and palladium, gas and liquid, oxygen and water, liquid, oxygen and water, gas and gas, air. On the basis of miscibility, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture consists of single phase, while heterogeneous mixture consists of two or more phases. Homogeneous mixture have uniform composition, does not have uniform composition. Heterogeneous mixture does not have uniform composition. For example, sugar dissolved in salt. When sugar is dissolved in salt, it is considered as a homogeneous mixture. While air, sand, and common salts are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. Separating the components of a mixture. The components of a heterogeneous mixture can be separated by simple methods like hand picking, sieving, and winnowing. Special techniques like evaporation. A mixture of salt and water or sugar and water can be separated by evaporation. Centrifugation. Butter from curd, fine mud particles suspended in water. Decantation. Using separating funnel oil from water. As in the green picture, we can see that we can separate oil from water by using a separating funnel which has a stop cock which allow water to pass, and when we passes water through the funnel, the oil remains in it. Next, sublimation. We can separate camphor from salt by sublimation. Chromatography. Different pigments from an extract of flower petals. Distillation and fractional distillation. Separating components of petroleum. Magnetic separate iron pills from sand by magnetic separation. Concentration of solution. The amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. Concentration of the solution is equal to amount of solute divided by amount of solution. The concentration of a solution can be expressed as mass by mass percentage or mass by volume percentage. Types of solution on the basis of size of solute particles. True solution, colloid, suspension. True solution is homogeneous, while a colloid or suspension are heterogeneous. Size of solute particle is less than 1 nm in true solution, while colloid have size of solute particles is between 1 nm or 1000 nm. Suspension size of solute particle is more than 1000 nm. True solution is stable, Colloid, stable and settle only on centrifugation. Suspension, unstable and settle down on its own. Two solutions examples are solution of sodium chloride in water, sugar and water. Colloid, milk and fog. Suspension examples are muddy water, chalk and water, smoke in air. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.